The Works Clearinghouse, or WWC, is a centralized source of education evidence related to a variety of branded products and teaching practices. It is a free resource available to all educators and is supported by the U.S. Department of Education's Institute of Education Sciences. The WWC evaluates evidence through a process called systematic review. When a product or teaching practice is being vetted for inclusion, teams of reviewers scour the literature and synthesize their outcomes into user-friendly language. Here on the WWC homepage, you can see their four main products: practice guides, intervention reports, reviews of individual studies, and downloadable data that resulted from those reviews. Let's start our discussion with practice guides. The WWC has been creating practice guides since 2007. These guides offer thorough reviews and recommendations to educators about a variety of teaching practices. When you select a practice guide from the list, you are taken to that guide's homepage. Here, you can see the recommendations housed within the report, along with the quality of the research that informed the guide. These quality indicators are linked to the evidence-based practice levels defined in the Every Student Succeeds Act. You can also review details from the report and the list of panelists that contributed to the report. Also, you'll find related resources, such as recorded webinars or slide decks. You can download the whole report by clicking the Full Guide button in the top right-hand side of the screen. If we navigate back to the home page, we can take a look at intervention reports. While you can view intervention reports directly by clicking the Intervention Reports button, I think the best way to review intervention reports is by selecting a topic from the menu at the top of the screen. Let's pick mathematics. From this page, we can see that the WWC has reviewed 155 programs related to mathematics. You can quickly see each product's evidence of effectiveness, its name, and the grade level it works on. You can select multiple products to compare by checking the boxes. You can also sort and filter the list using the More Filters button on the left-hand side of the screen. When you open the intervention page, you can see a brief summary of the intervention, followed by an overview of the research. You can see that this intervention has been scored across multiple outcome domains. A sliding scale is used to demonstrate the effectiveness of the intervention on each outcome. You can also see how many studies met the WWC standards for inclusion in their review, the grades they examined, the number of students included in the combined studies, and an improvement index. You can also download an evidence snapshot. This is a one-page overview of the intervention and its supporting research. Or you can download the full intervention report, which is a detailed overview of the intervention. One of my favorite things about the WWC is its commitment to process transparency. That too can be found on this page by downloading the detailed review protocol. If you are a more serious researcher, you can download both reviews of individual studies and data compiled during those reviews using the two buttons back on the homepage. If you scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, you can find additional resources designed to help educators consume and use research more fully. This has been a brief introduction to the Works Clearinghouse, also known as the WWC. This is a simple-to-use, free tool for educators seeking to better understand the research behind teaching practices and educational products. Its syntheses of literature can be incredibly useful to educators who are new to evidence use and are looking to build strong foundational skills. Next time you want to dig deeper into the practices deployed in your classroom, check out the Works Clearinghouse.